Supplier Scout Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are in the description so you can check it out for yourself. In today's video, we'll be reviewing Supplier Scout, a dropshipping tool designed to help you find reliable suppliers and products for your online store. We'll go over its key features, strengths, weaknesses, and ultimately, whether it's a good fit for your dropshipping business. Supplier Scout is built to simplify the supplier search process and help dropshippers identify trustworthy suppliers with high-quality products. Whether you're just starting your dropshipping journey or looking to expand your existing store, Supplier Scout helps you find vetted suppliers with reliable shipping times and competitive pricing, ensuring you're partnering with the right people from the start. Key features. Supplier Search. Supplier Scout offers an easy-to-use search function that allows you to filter suppliers by product type, location, and ratings. This makes it simple to find reputable suppliers that align with your business needs. Supplier Ratings and Reviews. The platform provides detailed reviews and ratings for each supplier based on factors like product quality, delivery speed, and customer service, helping you make more informed decisions. Product Catalog. Supplier Scout offers a catalog of products from trusted suppliers, complete with key details like pricing, shipping information, and product images. This allows you to quickly identify items that suit your store. Customizable filters. With advanced filters, you can narrow your search based on product categories, shipping locations, and minimum order quantities, making it easier to find products that fit your niche. Integration with Shopify. Supplier Scout seamlessly integrates with Shopify, allowing you to import products directly into your store and manage your orders without leaving the platform. Who is it for? Supplier Scout is ideal for dropshippers looking for a straightforward and efficient way to find reliable suppliers. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced seller, this tool simplifies the supplier sourcing process and helps you build a solid foundation for your business. Strengths and weaknesses. Strengths: easy-to-use supplier search, detailed reviews, customizable filters, Shopify integration. Weaknesses: limited to Shopify integration, may not have as many suppliers as larger platforms. Final verdict. Supplier Scout is a solid tool for dropshippers looking to streamline the process of finding trustworthy suppliers. Its detailed supplier ratings, product catalog, and seamless Shopify integration make it an excellent choice for those looking to establish reliable supplier partnerships. If you want to save time and avoid supplier headaches, Supplier Scout is definitely worth a try. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more details.